Welcome to A&E Appliances. I have for you today a Kenmore Elite stainless steel side-by-side with ice and water in the door. Have a look at the dispensers. This unit has a unique feature. It has a shaved ice dispenser. You're probably going, what? You have your regular auger here, and over here on this side of the mechanism is a special auger that runs through a shaving ice, so for like snow cones and other things. 26 cubic feet in size. Also, it has built-in door pantry. And it has built-in water filter, which you can see right down there. Scan, you can have a look at the outside. I don't see any dents or scratches. Got gray sides. Our unit has a 90-day warranty and we have delivery available.